And therefore he's saying, and there are so many different the explanations also to sayings and different suttas. Different is like in the Buddha's teachings. In the some in the sutta text saying that it's like when we are turning on the path of the great vehicles in order to achieve Buddhahood, the following, like the Paramahansa is the medicine, commitment. And it is very important when we follow the great vehicle in order to achieve perfect enlightenment. And we need some commitment. It's great, it's extraordinary vehicle. These vehicles carried to us into the great place of the enlightenment, one place to other places. These vehicles carried to us the place of the samsara and to the great place of the Buddhahood. And of course, when we be under these great vehicles, also maybe we need some commitment. And when we be in the great vehicles, of course there are tiring things. Some maybe is like complications. And like there is, we never give up. Because at the beginning, we understood what is the right and wrong. And we have this education we are through our individual spiritual friends. And then we got a great vehicle, great path. And then we are enjoyed or enter into these great vehicles. And we understood that these great vehicles can carry it for us to the great place of the Buddhahood, as we said. But between this journey from this one place to other place, maybe it's not easy. And then we need to kind of commitment. We can to take an example of the small things. When we do the tea or coffees, there are such like a kind of like the process. First time we need to measure. First time is like we need coffee, water, tea, all these things to need to collect. But maybe it's like a kind of some is we collect, we bought a coffee machine, and then it's like it's so difficult. Then we need to buy the coffee, then we need to collect the water, then we need, so tiring. If you like lost your commitment, you stop, then we can't get that coffee. And small things when we do, we need some commitment. But of course, negative things when we do, we do not need commitment. We all the time is commitment, automatic commitment. And therefore, it is like something is commitment for doing the positive things, which is to practice great vehicle. Great vehicle is the great practices of the Bodhisattvas. And in the great vehicles, it's talking about the clearly, very precisely, talking about Bodhisattvas' attitude and conduct. And if we enjoyed this vehicle, and we fully, entirely enter into the vehicles, definitively we can achieve Buddhahood. Therefore, it's like a commitment. Therefore, and this is the Vajradhara says, I shall explain the turning in the motivation and conduct of the Bodhisattvas as it is appear in the Pitakas of the Vinayana, Pitakas of the Sutayana, Pitakas of the Abhidamayas. That is related to the great vehicle in the like this commentary on their intent, commentary on their chant, commentary on their chant, intent. Do you know intent? Intent. What does it mean? No intent. I-N-T-E-N-T. The meaning of the commentaries, the meaning of these teachings. Intent. Commentaries on intent. Okay, that is just I just myself discovered nicely cases, and also there's one, and one in the sutta says that from the root of the compassion, from the root of compassion, appeared from the cause of the happiness of the temporary and happiness of the ultimates. And that is what it does, it's the means. And all the kind of the happiness is come from the omniscient level of the achievement. And that is we call the supreme wisdom of the all aspect. Do you understand? Supreme wisdom of the all aspect. Do you know money? Supreme wisdom of the all aspect. Namkon choden shirap. Supreme wisdom. No. No. Supreme wisdom, right now, okay? Supreme wisdom, which is all aspect. That is come from the supreme, okay. The root of the compassion, it is the supreme primordial wisdom of the omniscient, all aspect. Okay, you get it. And also it is there is one is the text says, if someone has such wish to yourself or the others, and to attain the unsurpassable of the enlightenment. The root is the mind of the enlightenment. And this enlightenment, it is the stable as the mountain mirror. And that is the compassion, which is the provide all the directions we call the impartial compassion. Why you are looking at me like this? Very angry. The supreme wisdom of all the aspect, endowed all the qualities. Okay, you can say that is the wisdom. It depends all the dependent, all the dualities. Okay, I don't want to say continue. To stop there. Even you do not understand intent, how I can continue? Intent.
With a D or a T?
Adjective intent.
Adjective or no?
Adjective intent.
No, the intent.
Okay. Okay, I'm tired. I want to start close, okay? Pause.